In modern metalworking, precision and productivity are key. Discover the Pedrazzoli Brown SN420SA. Its robust features, powerful semi-automatic operation, and consistent cutting performance are engineered for your demanding workshop. Its heavy-duty cast-iron base minimizes vibration, ensures unwavering stability for precise cuts. Smooth swivel action. Accurate mitre cuts up to 60 degrees, effortlessly angled. Simply pull the knob to unlock the base. Smoothly adjust to your desired mitre angle. In this example, it's a 20-degree cut. Then a quick twist of the knob securely locks your precise cutting position. At its core, a powerful, vertically mounted 3-phase motor delivers steady performance. Engineered for continuous duty, this robust power unit effortlessly drives through the toughest materials, ensuring superior cuts and lasting reliability, shift after shift. Advanced blade guides, with Whittier pads and side bearings, provide stability, reducing vibration for clean, exact cuts, extending blade life. To adjust, loosen the handle. Slide guides to workpiece for minimal clearance. This critical adjustment ensures superior cut quality. Powerful hydraulic clamps swiftly secure any material. Position jaws about 3/16 away from work. They grip diverse profiles firmly, ensuring consistent, vibration-free cutting performance, no matter the shape or size. Refer to this chart for capacities. Intuitive, easy-to-read display ensures fast startup. Quickly set parameters for maximum cutting efficiency. Set your desired piece count, then hit Auto to ready the machine. Move piece away from under the blade. To set cut limits, manually descend bow, press down through material. Raise, then press up. Now you are ready to make a cut. Press foot pedal to begin. The bow descent adjuster precisely controls cutting speed. Turn clockwise to slow, counterclockwise to speed up for optimal cut performance. From its solid bow to its entire build, experience unmatched capability. This machine ensures exact, dependable cuts, time after time. The integrated laser guide projects the exact cut line, eliminating guesswork for fast, accurate material alignment. Dual e-stops enhance operator safety, providing immediate machine shutdown and ultimate protection. Thank you for watching. For more information on the Pedrazzoli Brown SN420SA or our complete line of saws, contact us today.